All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are working with Lesson 14 problem set, and our I can that we're going to be working with is use place value understanding to decompose. That means to break down into smaller units up to 3 times using the standard algorithm. All right, so we're going to be doing B right now, and since this is not as large as what I would like, I'm going to transition B over onto my notebook paper, which you all should be working on your notebook paper as well, because honestly, watching is not as good as doing. We can watch NBA players play basketball, but that doesn't mean we can play as good as they or that we are playing. So we've got to be doing the math to learn the math. So I have 2,460 minus 1,470. Now that I've got that, I'm going to move that out of the way so you can see my notebook paper just a little bit better. All right, I've got to draw my place value chart. I've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and I don't need 10,000s because my number doesn't have 10,000s. So when working this, I don't have any of my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now, when we are subtracting, because on our tape diagram, from this point to this point, we have 2,460. We only know part of this whole. We know the 1,470 part. We do not know this part. So we're going to have to subtract to get to our answer. This is my whole, and that is what I have drawn in there. Now we're going to have to subtract it though. I don't take anything away from my 0, so that stays a 0. I have to take 7 away, but I only have 6. So I cannot take my 7 away. I have to come over here and unbundle this 100. Now when we move it this way, we take a bundle of 10 and we move it into 1. But when we go backwards with it, we take that 1 and now it becomes a 10. So there's a 10 and that one's been moved. So over here, your parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, older brothers and sisters even may say, well, just go next door and borrow. So that is now going to be 3, and our 6 is going to be 16. See how we have 16 there now? Now I can take my 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 9 left. Then I need to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3. I can't take 4 away. So that means I'm going to have to come over here and unbundle this. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that's a 10. So if I come over here, I have to take and regroup this. So now my 3 is a 13. My 3 is a 13 and my 2 is a 1 because of what I've done over here. Now I can take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 plus 4, which is 9. And then I need to take 1 away. And if I take 1 away, I have nothing. So my answer should be 990.